In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate averages and percentages in Google Sheets, specifically using a table that outlines products sold over the course of a week. Our aim is to identify which product was sold the most, determine its average sales per day, and find out what percentage it contributes to the total sales. Let's dive in. Imagine you have a neatly arranged table in Google Sheets that displays different products and their corresponding sales figures for each day of the week. Our first task is to calculate the total number of units sold for each product over the entire week. You might think of individually adding each cell manually, something like entering a simple formula, for example, equals C4 plus D4, and so on, right? But that's quite tedious and time-consuming. Instead, we'll streamline this process using the sum function. Here's how. Type equals sum, and then open a parenthesis. After this, select the row of numbers you want to total. It's that simple. The beauty of Google Sheets is that once you've done this for one product, you can use the autofill feature. Just drag down the little blue square at the corner of the cell to apply the same formula to the rest of the products. Efficiency at its best. Once we've figured out the totals, let's move on to the average sales per day for each product. Google Sheets is a fantastic tool because it also has a built-in average function. To use this, simply type equals average, then select the cells corresponding to each day's sales for a product. Hit enter, and voila, you've got your average. Once again, take advantage of the autofill feature for your other products to save time and minimize errors. Finally, let's calculate the percentage that each product contributes to the total sales. First, we have to determine the grand total of all products combined. Once you have that figure, you can easily compute each product's contribution to the total sales. For this, use the formula. Divide the total of the individual product by the grand total we just calculated. Make sure you format this column as a percentage. To personalize your display, simply click on the Cell Format menu and choose %. This will ensure the numbers are easily interpreted at a glance, giving you an immediate understanding of each product's relative success. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to analyze sales data effectively and efficiently. Calculating totals, averages, and percentages will become second nature, allowing you more time to focus on strategic insights and decision-making. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Now, go ahead, apply these techniques, and gain deeper insights into your data.